Hi guys, today I'm replacing the My 70 Pro battery. So this is the My 70 Pro. The problem with this battery, after 1 year plus, it will give you problem, and whenever you start your engine, it will ask you to reset the time. So if you off your car for 10-20 minutes after 1 hour, it will ask you to reset the time every time. If it's 10 time you need to reset your time. So that is how you know your battery need to be replaced. So another way you can know is when you press the power button, it's not on. Even if you charge it for a while, maybe it can on and then it will off by itself. It won't last long. So let's try use a power bank and plug it in. Alright, so it's on. Now let's pull out. So when I pull out, it should off. And when I on it back, cannot on because it's not enough power. Alright, so let's do the replacement. So I bought this replacement battery from Shopee. Right, so it comes with a manual book, how to change the battery, but we don't need that. It's very easy. A toolkit. Let's put it aside, and the replacement battery. Right, this come with, I think it's 1 month or 3 months warranty. 3 months warranty. So today is the 14th of December. The time is 8:46. All right, let's do the replacement. So first you take this tool, remove the sticker from the back. Let's put it aside. You have 2 screws over here. You need to remove the screw. Just put it aside. Then we take this pry bar and let's pry it open. Okay, so open just like that, and then we use this, push it. All right, so you have the wire connection over here. You just pull it out, and then this is the replacement battery. So you can see it looks exactly the same size. Right, so there's only one way to go in. You can't go in the wrong way, so just put it in to lock and use the pry bar to push it and lock it. All right, and just push the battery in. Okay, now you can put back the cover. Put from the back first, and then push it to clip it in. Right, so make sure it's all fitted properly. Then you can put back the screw and screw back. And you can put back the label at the back. And let's try now.
Time reset. Please calibrate by connecting to your mobile phone.
Okay, so to set the time, go to the setting. Today is the December. Today is the 14. Right. And the time is about 8:51.
The SD card cannot be recognized. Please reinsert or format the SD card.
Right, we need to set back again. Now it's 8:52. Make it 8:53. All right, save. Okay, so let's off. Now we on it back. So yeah, you can save the time, so it should be okay. I'm not using any power bank to on it, so let's see how long can it stay on. Oops. Yeah, I think it's good because the earlier battery cannot even last for a few seconds. The minute you pull it out, it off. So yeah, let's try to plug it in. All right, so now when I pull out the power, yeah, it works. So now I on it back. yeah, so it's okay. So I think for those of you guys who want to replace your battery, you can get this in Shopee, yeah, for the My 70 Pro. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.